What's up, guys? So today we're going over a short video on what I like to look for when trading, and just I'm showing you guys my overall indicators. I know it's a live stream, but this is just going to be a short little video. Just going to post it as a video. It's not actually really a live stream. I'm not interacting with chat. I just don't feel like recording something and uploading it, all that. So let's get into it. My indicators I use, what I recommend is the 50 BB. Favorite one, it shows like if it's under the trend, that's the trend it's going for. If it's above the trend, it's obviously bull or bear. Compare it depending on if it's holding the trend, riding the trend, or jumping through the trend. So, and then volume, you need that 100%. If you don't have volume, you don't know the levels. Like level 1 or level 2 is probably the best thing you can use to make an overall indicator on where the trade is going to go. And then Ikumochu, I use that, and then the order block finder dark. That just tells you when the institutions are buying in. Very good, very helpful when trading. Um, I'm not going to show you my gap fill pattern, but let's just get into this. So first off, we got coin. As you see, obviously everyone should make some kind of trend lines as your own. So as you see, I just made this downward resistance. We see it bounce off 3 times. So as we can see, coin, there's not a lot of data on this, but we can tell that it's in a downward trend. And if you follow Bitcoin at all, coin follows the Bitcoin trend. So if Bitcoin's going down, coin's going down, Bitcoin's going up, coin's going up. So basically what we can see here is it's under the 50 BB. Let me take off Ikumochu. It's under the 50 BB. It tried testing, but if the candle never actually holds above, so this would not be a holding above candle. This would be just it's holding the trend down. And now see if the candle came up to right here and held the day and did not touch this at all, then it's a bull signal, and we could see it just run straight up, or we could see a dip, retest, and run straight up. That's what usually happens. That's just something you need to look for. So when it came down to here, obviously it jumped below the trend that it was previously. That means we're gonna see more of a dip, and it came up, tested it again, and we're gonna see it fall around 200, probably even lower. We'll probably see 200 next week on coin. Now, that's my favorite thing to look for. Ikomochu, it tells you on the smaller time frames what to look for. And what you look for on Ikomochu is the lagging span. If it never breaks above the trend, we're going to see a bear trend. So let me see if I can show you where it broke above. So right here, it's like 26 days behind. So it broke above, we saw it jump. Now it's all in the bulls, so we could have just bought in here and held it all the way up. Now if it bought in, came up, and retested, came down, right? If it came down in this level, it would have been 26 days behind, or not 26 days, it would have been 14 days behind. Came up, it could have went through here, but it didn't, so it stayed bullish. That's how you use the lagging span. Very helpful. Understand lagging span, look it up, watch some videos on it. It's a very good technical. So let's look at another trade. We got snow. Now, best thing about this, we don't need any of these signals right here, right? See, it held below the 50 BB. We know it's going down, right? Right here, though, we got the order block finder. Boom, it told us to buy. It's a day late, so it doesn't tell you the same day, but it told you the next day that the institutions bought in. You see the volume go up in green. You buy in here. Watch it break through. So you'd buy in right here, right, at the resistance. It's either going to reject or go down. We're fine with a 20% loss. Like 20% loss is nothing. You're only risking 5-10% of your account. But you get in, breaks the trend. We got the institution order block. That means we're seeing hella bull trends. So that would have been a $36 move. Very good. When using the order block, it's very helpful. It's basically always correct. Bearish order block is perfect too most of the time. But I mostly follow it when it's breaking through resistances. That's why you need the 50 BB in there. And we'll show you one more. As we can see, bearish, fell through. So you would buy in when it's testing resistance, right? You buy in right here. You get the bearish order block, test resistance, and it comes down, right? Bull starts testing resistance, breaks above, and it runs. It ran from $400 to $720. And Ikomochu, so just remember, Ikomochu is just use the lagging span. Volume indicator shows what is this? You went from Fortnite to stocks. Yeah, well I do stocks full time now, so yeah, Ikomochu. Make sure to just watch the lagging span. That's all you really need, and then it tells you the overall trend. Order blocks tells you when the institutions are buying in, and then the 50 BB is tell you when it's breaking over resistance. And that is the top 3 indicators that you should use when trading. Hope this helped. I'll catch you next time. See you.